If you're looking for an unboxing video on the Canon Pixma Ts 8320, then stay tuned because that's what we're going to be talking about today. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Canon Pixma Ts 8320. This is one of the newer models on the Canon Pixma lineup, and we got it in this nice red color. Okay, so what you can expect from this video is me unboxing this printer, setting it up, and then giving a short review on what I think of all the different features, the different functionality. But I'm also going to be making 3 separate videos aside from this one. One of the videos being a repair video showing you how to use the best printers cleaning kit on this printer. So basically, if you have an old printer laying around that is not printing a certain color, printing blank pages, or kind of faded printing, this cleaning kit will solve that. You can save yourself a ton of money. But I will link a repair video down in the description below, as well as this product, which on this channel you can find various videos on how to fix various different printer models. Aside from that, there will be an ink installation video. If you need help learning how to install the ink on this printer, do a separate video on that, and a print quality test video where I'm going to be printing different images, a document, and anything else I find useful to kind of just show you the quality and also the speed, the sound it might make when it's printing. All those kind of detailed things are going to be in the print quality test video. So 3 separate videos, 1 product. Any other products, including this printer, if you end up making a buying decision, there will be a link in the description below for you if you want to check up on some more information, or if you would like to buy through there as well. One more thing I got to get out of the way. Shout out to my cousin Brian for getting me this hat over Christmas. Mind any other products I end up talking about in this video will be linked in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like. If you have any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this or similar content related to printers, subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so what you're going to be getting in the box is, of course, the printer. You're going to get printer ink. This is the setup ink, power cable, and then a user manual along with some photo paper. Really small photo paper, but that'll just start you out. Now, if you wanted to get your hands on some less expensive remanufactured versions of this ink, I will be linking that down in the description below, below all the other links. Okay, you're going to plug in your printer just to start out, and all this plastic that is around the printer, the tape and all that, you're going to want to get that off, and I'll be taking that off in just a moment. Okay, powering the printer on, we are going to begin the setup. You're going to select your language and just go through the process. There are some other things along the way. You can do an alignment page. We kind of go through some of that, and then here you're going to install the ink. Now, for the purposes of this video, we will not be covering the ink install in depth. Just really quick, going to go through it here in the video. And if you want a more in-depth and you needed, kind of an instructional video, there will be a video under ink installation in the description below, linked. Okay, you do have a back paper tray that does fold out. You have an adjustment here where you can do smaller sizes and up to a legal sized document. Okay, here we are performing an alignment page that takes about 7 minutes, and you most likely do want to do this just to get the system kind of calibrated. Now here is your bottom paper tray. This is going to have a little bit less capacity on the bottom, but you have both of them kind of just to balance out and so that you get a good amount of usage. And of course, this bottom paper tray is also adjustable, top to bottom, side to side, up to a certain size. Now, to be able to print, many times you're going to have to flip up this front piece that is on the printer, and then you're able to extend out the output tray. I'm not including the sound on here, and I'm not really going to comment on the print quality here because there's really nothing to say. As I said in the beginning, there will be a separate video for a print quality test where we will go into more in depth. Okay, with the manual, you will see instructions on how to connect with a laptop or a smartphone. Now, I highly recommend that you get familiar with using an iPhone or an Android. You can download the app, you can scan the QR code, and you can basically print from your phone in a comprehensive way. So this is your front display. This display is a touch screen. I'm going to mess around with the settings here, going to the different options that you have on this printer. And you do have quite a bit. It is pretty comprehensive. I like the simplicity that Canon usually does on their front screens. You have 3 options, and then you got some, lesser options on the bottom that you can choose from. Now, if you have a memory card, there is an SD slot on the left side of the printer at the bottom, and you will see that later on in this video. But you can use an SD card still. So you can use your smartphone, your SD card. You can connect directly to a computer. I think Canon, HP, all the major companies are trying to balance because of the new technology. You are able to print directly from your phone with an app, but you may not necessarily want to do that. You may be using a camera. You may be still working off of a PC, or you may just want to use your laptop, but you want to connect directly. So there is a USB port at the back of the printer as well, so you can connect directly. Now, what we're looking at here is a CD tray. You can print directly onto a CD, and so depending on what kind of work you do, what kind of hobbies you have, that could potentially be very, very helpful to you. The finish on this printer, the top, and just the overall style, the color, this is a little bit more stylish, you could say. This is for somebody that doesn't want just the ordinary colored printer. They're tired of the black and white. There is kind of a bend at the front of the printer as well that I found to be interesting. You got your chrome at the bottom, and as you see there on the left hand side, you have the SD port. Here at the back, you have your USB port where you can connect directly to a laptop or a PC. Now, you do have a glass scanner on this printer. You do not have an automatic document feeder, but if you're not having to scan multiple pages, that's going to be irrelevant to you. And really, I would say this printer is focused more towards someone that is wanting to print photos. You have a CD tray, you're printing on a CD occasionally, or even if you're not, you're focusing on printing photos or other specialty types of prints. Alright, so that's really all I have for today. I hope this video was helpful to you. Again, remember, there are links in the description below for different videos, different products. And if this video was helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions at all, comment below. But that's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.